So today, y'all are going to talk about triangle inequalities theorem, all right? And what it says is that basically the sum of two of the sides has to be greater than the third side, all right? So we're going to set up three different inequalities to check to see if we're given three sides, to see if the third side would fit in a triangle. And we have to do this 3 times for each problem. So we're going to set up 3 different inequalities for each problem 1 through 12. Right? So 7 plus 5, is that greater than 4? Yes, because that's 12 is greater than 4. Right? And then we're going to also do 5 plus 4 needs to be greater than 7. Well, 5 plus 4 is 9, which is greater than 7, so that one works. And then we're going to do 4 plus 7 is greater than 5. And that is true because 7 is already greater than 5. If we add 4 more to it, it is going to be true statement. So, if you want to, that's 11, which is greater than 5. Right? And so that's how you're going to do 1 through 12. If they are equal instead of greater than, okay, then it will not work. So if you look at like number 4, okay, 8 plus 2, actually wait, this one probably will work. That's greater than 8. That is true statement. 2 plus 8 is greater than 8. That's also a true statement. And then 8 plus 8 is also greater than 2. So that's true as well. All right. Sorry, I'm looking for one that is going to not work. Okay, so let's look at number 2. All right, so if we look at number 2, okay, 3 plus 6 is greater than 2. That one works. And 6 plus 2 would be greater than 3. That one also works. All right, but 2 plus 3 is not greater than 6. This one does not work. Okay, because it's only 5. 5 is less than 6. This says that 5 is greater than 6. That is false. So this one, no, it's not a triangle. Okay. All right. So the sum of any two sides has to be greater than the third side. And so when you're answering these, you need to say no, it's not a triangle, or yes, it is a triangle. And we can abbreviate triangle now by using this symbol, okay? And then on 1, it also, yes, it is. Oops, it is a triangle. All right. Okay. So I answered 3 of the first 12, all right, for you. But you have to go through and work that out and double check to make sure the rest of them do in fact work. If you look at the bottom section, all right, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay. On this bottom section, it says two sides of a triangle have the following measure. So it gives you 2 sides, and you're trying to find the third, right? So the way to do this is that we're going to add. We're going to say x is our third side for each one of these. We don't know what it is though. Okay. We're going to add x to the smallest side. Okay, and it should be greater than 9. Okay, and then we're going to solve this like an equation, only it's going to have an inequality in it. So we're just going to subtract 5 from both sides. Okay, so x is greater than 4. All right, so x has to be greater than 4. And then we're going to, for the largest, to figure out the largest value that we could have for our third side, we're going to add the 2 sides that it gives us. So 9 plus 5 has to be greater than x. All right, and that is going to be 14. Right? So our x is going to be between 4, our smallest side, and 14, our largest side. Right? So this is the possible range of values that we could have. We could have 4.01, we could have 13.999, okay? But we can't have 14 or 4. It does not include those 2 numbers, okay? But that would be our answer for this question. All right, let's do another one. Let's look at number 18, just because they have larger numbers. All right, so we're going to, again, our x is our third side. We don't know what it is. All right, we're going to add x to our smallest side, and set it greater than the largest side. Okay, so solve this. Subtract 11 from both sides. So x is going to be greater than 3, right? And then also, we're going to say these two added together must be greater than our x value. And so that's 25 when we add those together, all right? So our x is going to be between 3 and 25, right? And so 3.01 or 3.001 is our is kind of the idea there. We're not quite at 3. We can get really, really close to 3 and then really, really close to 25, but not anything 25 or more, all right? So this is how you do this worksheet. I hope that you find this pretty easy to do. This is our answer, sorry. I hope that you find this pretty easy to do. This is what you need to do for 13 through 18. There's 4 that are left there, right? If you have any questions, I'm sure that Mr. Mays can help you answer them. If not, you can always come to my Lion Time. I am in room E248. Make sure that you get your papers turned in to him. He is grading them for you. Okay. If you have a question about the way he is grading, okay, please ask him nicely. Okay. If there's an issue, let me know. But I hope that you don't have any issues with any grades that you might have. Also, make sure to turn in your papers on time. Okay. Grading late work can be very difficult for us because we are human beings and we forget things too, and we may accidentally misplace a key or something and it takes us longer to grade. So if you turn something in late, okay, or if you're absent, just make sure you try to turn your stuff in a timely manner. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, have a great day. See, Mr. Mays will see you in class.